In hospitality, you need to have three things. You need to have passion, you need to have commitment, and you need to be a hard worker. Sandra has all three of those in spades. People love working with Sandra every day because she comes in a great mood, ready to do hard work with a big, bright smile on her face.
Sandra does not allow her disability to define her. As a matter of fact, she finds ways to overcome it, and she doesn't even let people know that she has a disability. She smiles at people, she waves at people, and we know how to say thank you to one another.
This job gives her purpose and her independence to be able to do what she likes to do.
There is never any task that's too difficult for her. You could have every room in this entire hotel check out, mounds of laundry, and she would look at it and she would conquer it with pride.
She loves coming to work. She feels satisfied in doing the laundry. Even when she's at home, she feels like she has to do the laundry.
When we transitioned this property to Sonesta, Sandra was chosen to cut the ribbon because she embodies really who we are. She is our foundation. She's been through a lot of change in this hotel. New GMs, new leaders, new branding. She continues to be the exact same Sandra that would likely start in this hotel 32 years ago.
Not everybody wants to work in laundry. Sandra does. She takes pride in what she does. That's why she should win.